This video will walk you through how to find officer and club lists if you are a higher level leader, such as an international officer. Starting from the home page, navigate to the My Association tile. Notice the Explore Clubs tab. The filters available are Status, Parent Constitutional Area, and Account Record Type. We will keep the status of all. However, you can drill down to see only newly chartered clubs or even pending charter clubs if desired. Next, the select constitutional area we'd like to see. In this case, we'll use USA. And then finally, the filter of the different Lion Club types if you want to see those broken down. Otherwise, we'll keep all. And if you scroll down on the page, you will note that the CA is broken into the various sections. You can select the area you'd like to see by clicking directly into the report and even on a multiple district total. If you select the link at the bottom where it says View Report, you'll be able to export the entire report. Once you click on it, allow the system to open up the report. It may take a little bit. And once it loads, you'll see the record count of the clubs in the areas. Select the Detail Rows button at the bottom of the report to expand it out and to see the actual list of clubs within the areas. And once the report renders, to export it, you can just click the down arrow next to the Edit button and select Export. The report will download to an Excel file where you can sort, filter, and manage the list. Now, to see lists of officers, navigate back to the My Association page. Now, this data can take a while. We're going to select the Explore Officers tab next to the Explore Clubs tab and give it a moment to load. Once loaded, you can also see the various filters that you have here. Again, Constitution area, in this case, the type of officer you're looking for, and then finally, the level of the officers you're looking for. Now, this data can take some time, so be patient, but if we scroll down, we can see a list of the various multiple districts within the constitutional area. And again, there's a view report at the bottom where you can go into the specific report of all of this information. I'm going to go ahead and click View Report and be very patient while the system loads this data. I will pause the recording since I just asked for the entire constitutional area, and we'll resume in just a moment. Once the report loads, it will give you a count of the officers in each area. Select the Detail Rows button at the bottom of the report to expand it, just like you saw in the clubs list. Now it'll expand into the officers for each area. Once the list of officers displays, you can now select the down arrow key and export just like you did in the clubs feature. This video is now complete. Thank you.